Okay, so this is the second part of the tips you need to know when writing calculus examination. Okay, so let's make it real quick. So as I said, solving calculus examination is not only about getting the answers, it's about the approach you use to. Okay, so let's take another example. For example, when the question like y equals 1 over s plus 1 is given to solve. Okay, you might choose to use the quotient rule, okay, which states that dy over dx equals then du dx minus u even dx all over v squared. Okay, let's just use which will make this your v and this your u. But note, when you use this approach to solve this question, you get the same answer as the right answer, but you'll be marked down. Why? This function is not a quotient function because it doesn't have any x at the numerator, so it can't be a quotient function. Okay, for example, if this was to be maybe y equals x over x plus 1, then it might qualify, or y equals maybe x minus 2 over x plus 1. So if it had any y at the numerator, then it might qualify to use this rule, which is the quotient rule. But since it doesn't, now the function requires another rule called the chain rule. Okay, called the chain rule. It requires another rule called the chain rule. So let's see, the chain rule states that dy over dx equals dy over du multiplied by du over dx. Okay, so our function here was y equals 1 over x plus 1. Okay, so you can choose to write it as x plus 1 all to the power negative 1, so it's an inverse of it. Okay, so we must represent what is in the bracket by u. Okay, so you can write that y equals u to the power negative 1, which means that u equals x plus 1. Okay, hope you get it. So now let's find dy du and du dx. Okay, so let's make this real quick. Make this one here. Okay, so dy du will be equal to, so just multiply it, so negative 1 u to the power negative 2. Okay, then you get du over dx to be 1. So when this is differentiated, you get 1. Okay, so we just substitute them into the formula. So we get dy over dx equals minus 1. So I just bring my u. So what's my u? My u is x plus 1 to the power negative 2. Okay, I'm just substituting this. Okay, because it's dy over du, I'm just substituting it here. So, and it is multiplying du over dx. So du over dx is 1. Okay, it's 1, so it's multiplying 1. Okay, so my final answer becomes dy over dx equals minus x plus 1 to the power -2. So writing it in a standard form, it becomes minus 1 over x plus 1 to the power 2. Okay, so you need to know this. This is the approach you must use. You have to know how to differentiate between those rules, and so as not to be marked down in calculus examination. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. This is Ralph Consult. We will meet again. Bye.